Yes.
All right, so it's almost the weekend, and with that
Yes.
festival going on, and a lot of people have outdoor plans this Saturday and Sunday, should be fine. I think we're looking A-okay. The mornings will continue to be comfortable, and the afternoons still on the warm side in the upper 80s and lower 90s, which we'll get to in a second. All right, here's a live look around town, mostly cloud cover. So this is the big change. Well, not a big change, but at least a change in our weather pattern over these last couple of days. You know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was a mostly clear sky, mostly sunny. Now we're seeing a little bit more cloud cover moving from the south and southeast. Unfortunately, not generating any rainfall, and we do need the rain. We have a chance for rain next week, but right now it's mostly dry. And again, we'll talk about that in a second. All right, so Halloween, it's a couple weeks away. What is possible during the holiday of Halloween? Well, last year was one of the warmest on record, 90 degrees back in 2024. The coldest Halloween on record, 93, 27 degrees, and the wettest back in 1896 at 1.75 inches of rain. So that's what's possible. What's supposed to happen this time of year, like late October. Highs in the lower 80s and lows in the low 60s. So that's based on average, and we'll see what happens by the end of the month. Right now, pretty comfortable outside. 73 at Bulverde, 83 at Seguin, 81 at Devine, 79 at Hondo. A degree cooler at Bandera. There's that southeast wind that's ushering a little bit more cloud cover from the Gulf, from the south and southeast. You zoom out and put more counties on the map. Pretty uniform. Not much of a temperature variation across the counties and across the south central Texas region. 85 at George West, that's pretty warm. 84 at Cotulla and 80 at Del Rio. Air quality has been somewhat of a concern these last couple of days, but no air quality alert today. Right now it's hovering right around moderates in San Antonio and around the area as well, from Austin to Houston to Corpus Christi as well. All right, here's your forecast for today. 88 degrees this afternoon, 89 tomorrow, and 93 on Saturday. So notice a warming trend. The mornings stay pretty comfortable in the mid to upper 60s and lower 70s, but that warming trend will take place. Only small change tomorrow morning, mostly clear, middle 60s in San Antonio, upper 50s for the hill country. For tomorrow afternoon, if you're driving east down I-10 towards Houston, for example, there could be a couple of hit or miss areas of showers and storms, but otherwise pretty quiet. Look at the entire U.S., very cold air across the Rocky Mountains, and there's that low. Unfortunately, it's too far north to get in on some very cold air, and unfortunately, this ridge stays in place. And right now, our next chance at rain is not until late next week, Thursday and Friday, and at the moment, it's only, pacing at about a 20 to 30% chance next Thursday. All right, here's your 14-day forecast, mid-60s through tomorrow morning for overnight lows. Highs still pretty warm, but a little bit better. 89 tomorrow, 93 on Saturday. It's a little hot for this time of year. And then Sunday, a little bit better. Temperatures trend a little bit farther down by next week. And then next Thursday and Friday, a small chance at some isolated rain. We do need the rain, Sarah, but right now it's very low.